guys, I'm Manika and I make videos related to beauty and makeup. If you're interested in watching such content, hit the subscribe button right now. So today I created this look using no foundation or concealer. Yes, you heard me right. No foundation, no concealer. I just love how fresh and vibrant this look is, especially during summers when you do not want to feel cakey or heavy on your face, and definitely not in a mood to put on foundation and concealer and creating a heavy base. I hate that feeling during summer. So I just keep my base minimal, take good care of my skin, and yeah, I love it. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. I'm starting with the Plum Green Tea Moisturizer. It is a mattifying moisturizer and hence keeps oil at bay, and it instantly mattifies my face. Like, not even kidding you. Keeps the oily and greasy look at bay, and I love using this. It just gives a non-greasy yet hydrating moisturized feel, and I love it. Especially during summers when I do not want my face to look greasy or oily. Since I'm not using a foundation or concealer, I'll be giving extra care to my under eye area, hence moisturizing and hydrating it using this under eye cream. Taking some on my ring finger and just dabbing it really well because I do not want it to look rough, dry and dull. So now you must be wondering that I'm not using a foundation or concealer, so what am I using for coverage? So I'll just be using a compact. Here I'm using the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. I've already hit pan on this. And I'm taking a really fluffy brush to apply this. So taking a good amount of it and just dabbing. I love this compact, especially for summers. It mattifies, keeps oil at bay, and provides a bit of coverage. Don't worry if you feel that it's looking too cakey because it could just get dissolved. Now just squinching my brush so that it fits my under eye area perfectly and dabbing it. Squinching it so that it forms this shape and dabbing. Not to forget your neck. That's it. So what do you think, huh? You know, I might be looking a bit alien, too white, but it would just fall into place. Give it some time. Next, I'll be making my brows using the L'Oreal Brow Artist. So it has a small brush which looks like this. A spoolie at one end and an angled brush at other, and it has a powder and wax. Since I've got this, I'm loving it, and I'm only using this to make my brows. So using the spoolie end, I'm just dragging the brows downwards so that I can outline it, and using the angled side and using the powder. Like, I like this so much more over a pomade or a pencil, brow pencil, and especially in summers. Like, I do not have to worry that it would bleed down or it would fade away. It just keeps my brows in place and perfect. Also, the color matches my brow hairs really well. Just brushing the hairs upward, just filling in some bald spaces that I have. That's it. Just brushing it in my natural brow shape. Doing same on the other side. So the brows are done. Next is I'm priming my lips using Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Lip Balm. My lips get dry very soon, so it's very important for me to keep them hydrated and moisturized. I'm a completely kajal person. I love wearing kajal, and days when I do not wear kajal, I look like a sick person. I hope you relate with that. On days you do not wear kajal, it looks like that you're sick. I'm using the Plum Nature Studio Kajal and tight lining my waterline. When it comes to kajal, I like using kajals which are natural, like Plum or Lotus. These brands make natural kajal. Also, I'll be tight lining my upper waterline. this is the kajal I'm using. Now wearing a liner is optional. If you prefer you can, if you don't prefer just leave it that way. Or if you do not prefer wearing kajal, you can just wear liner, or you can leave your eyes totally bare. It's totally up to you. I'm using this color icon pencil from Wet n Wild as my liner today. I'm using the shade brown or dark brown. Next, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I love curling my eyelashes before applying mascara. Or even generally, if I'm not applying mascara, I like curling my lashes. I feel that it really separates the lashes and obviously curls them. And using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, I've been applying my mascara this way. So I just take the wand like this, not holding like this, but this, and I just cover or coat my lashes with this. And when I feel that the lashes are coated in the mascara, I just separate them. Using the same technique on my lower lash line, that is coating lashes and mascara like this. This one definitely looks bigger and opened up as compared to this one. Yeah. I'm just adding a hint of blush to my cheeks. I love blushes. I just love going overboard. Blushes tend to fade after some time, so you can just go overboard with them, and they would just fade away sometimes. I mean, not completely fade away, but they would start losing pigment. Like if you're thinking I'm looking really crazy with these pink cheeks, it would just get away. And oh, sorry, the blush I used was from Lancome. This is my favorite blush. I just cannot stop using it, and the shade is Sheer Ambrose. And now the final step is the lipstick. I'm using the Maybelline Color Sensational Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. This is my favorite lipstick. Like, I haven't ever finished any lipstick this much. Yeah. So you can have an idea of how much I've used it. I love this lipstick. And that's it. I just love this shade. I love the texture, how creamy it is, but still it's matte. I love the pinkish nude color. I just obsessed. So this is my final look. You can just put in some earrings. So let me know in the comment section, how do you like this look? And if you want me to do any kind of videos, guys, comment. I just love how fresh and matte this look is. Like, totally. My face does not look oily or greasy. It looks fresh, it looks vibrant, and I'm totally in love with it. And that is it. This is all I do. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Also share this with your friends and family, and definitely subscribe. Kanjusi mat karo, subscribe karo, and I'll see you next week. Bye.